Hi Yumna, this is the video for the curtain sizes. Here, this is the master bedroom. So I have taken the curtain size from the frame here, okay, to the floor. It's 221 centimeters, and the width from this frame here to here, it's 227 centimeters. Okay, I'll give you the other measurements as well. This is the study front window, and here the width from here, this frame, to the L-shaped window here, it's 209 centimeters, and from here, the corner to the frame here, it's 52 centimeters, and the height from that frame, from the frame there to the floor, it's 210 centimeters. Okay, I'll give you the other measurements as well. This is the entrance to the study. From here to here, it's 147 centimeters, and the height from there to the bottom to the floor, it's 225 centimeters. Okay, now this is the formal launch, and the height from that frame to the floor, it's 221 centimeters, and from the frame here to this frame here, the width is 252 centimeters. 252 centimeters. Okay, now I'll give you the other measurements as well. This is the second bedroom. The width from here to the frame, this frame, to the frame here, it's 252 centimeters, and the height from the frame here, the top, the frame here, I hope you can see, to the ground, to the carpet, it's 221 centimeters. Okay, this is the second bedroom. The measurement, this is the third bedroom, and the measurements are the same as second bedroom. That is, the width is 252 centimeters, and the height is 221 centimeters. Okay. Now I'm going to the fourth bedroom, and the width of the window, it's 221 centimeters. The height is 221 centimeters. The width is 191 centimeters. Okay, the width is from here to here, the frame, it's 191 centimeters, and the height from that frame, from the frame here to the ground, that is to the carpet, it's 221 centimeters. Okay, now I'm talking about the door, this door here. Okay, That's a 4th bedroom door. The width from this frame to this frame here, it's 155 centimeters, and from the frame here to the ground it's 215 centimeters. Okay, now this is the back door that leads to the alfresco. Okay, the width from this frame to this frame, it's 309 centimeters. Okay, and the height from this frame from here to the floor, it's 215 centimeters. Okay, and that's the gap between the top frame and the roof, the ceiling. Okay, now I'll give you the other measurements. This is the rampers door. The width from here, okay, from this door to this door, from this that distance is 117 centimeters, and the height from there to the ground, it's 117 centimeters. Okay, now this is the dinner meals area and the window there. The width from here, from the frame to this frame here, it's 252 centimeters, and the height from the frame here to the floor, it's 221 centimeters. Okay, and now the laundry. In the laundry, see, you don't have much room on the side here, left hand side. Okay, so I have given you the width from this end to this frame here is 153 centimeters, and from this frame here to the floor, it's 215 centimeters. Okay, so that's the distance you have between the top frame and the ceiling. Okay, so you have to decide where you need the curtain from. Alright, okay, so I would say you need to add about 5 centimeters from here to here. If you want about 5 centimeters here, if you want it wider either side, 5 centimeters either side, and probably about 5 or 10 centimeters from the top frame to the top. You have to add that. Okay, I hope this video is helpful. Just let me know after looking this. Thank you. Bye.